Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss a LeetCode problem 173, binary search tree iterator. So the problem statement says that implement the BST iterator class that represents an iterator over in order traversal of binary search tree. So BST iterator tree node root. So this is the constructor. So initializes an object of BST iterator class. The root of BST is given as part of constructor. The pointer should be initialized to non-existing number smaller than any element in BST, and it will have two methods, hasNext and next. So hasNext should return true if there exists a number in traversal to right of the pointer, otherwise it should return false. And next moves the pointer to the right and then returns number at the pointer. So they have given one example here, and so we will be, for example, we will be given the root and these nodes actually, so we can construct a binary search tree, and it will be like so for example, this is the same example I'm giving. So one thing we have to understand here is the in order traversal they are talking. So if we have a node like 3, 7 and 15, so the in order traversal will be in the order like 3 and then 7 and then 15. So it will be like in this order, so it will be always like a sorted basically. So for example, the in order traversal of this tree will be like first 3, then 7, 9, 15 and 20. So the numbers will be in a sorted order. So for example, if you see next here, then the next means first time the next, when we'll ask the first time next will return 3. So that's what you are seeing here, these 3. Then again when we call next, then it will give the second number, which is 7 in the order, right? So sorry, so 7 in this order, so you will see 7 here. Then when you call hasNext, hasNext means whether any existing any remaining nodes are there which are larger than 7. So yes, we have 3 nodes, 9, 15 and 20. So we will just return true here for hasNext, and next means we will return the next larger element, which is 9. So you will see 9 here. And then again hasNext means do we have anything remaining elements. We have 15 and 20 remaining, so we will return true. For the next, we will return the next element, which is 15. So you are seeing 15 here. Then for hasNext, you are seeing true because we still have a 20 remaining, and for a next you are seeing 20 element here, so we will return the 20. And for the hasNext, we don't have anything remaining after this, so we'll just return false. So we have been asked to implement this binary search tree iterator class. So let's just discuss quickly the implementation. So I am actually going to use a PriorityQueue class from a Java API, which is kind of a min heap or max heap depending on the order we choose. So here we will be using min heap. So always when we have elements into this priority queue, they will be in the order where minimum will come first. So in the iterator itself, I will pass a root, and I have implemented this iterate method, which will actually populate the priority queue using recursively. So it will take root left and root right, and it will iterate through the complete tree, and it will populate the priority queue in the way, like incremental way, like 3 then 7 then 9 then 15 then 20. And when I am implementing a next method, I'll just check first if it is not, if the priority queue is not empty, I'll just call and I'll return that element, otherwise I'll return -1. And for a hasNext, I'll just make sure that the priority queue is not empty, then I'll return a true. If the priority queue is empty, then I'll return false. So this is a very simple implementation for the binary search tree iterator. So I have created the same test case that they have given us in this example. So let's just quickly give it a run and make sure this works. Yeah, so it's working correctly. So we can try submitting this. Yeah, so the solution is accepted. So if you like this solution, please consider subscribing to my channel and give a like to this video. Thank you.